Why doesn't she give me gifts? Why doesn't she give me compliments? Why doesn't she offer to help me? If she loved me, she would do these kind of things, wouldn't she? If you had these questions regarding your partner, there's a very possible reason as to why. Your love languages are different. But what are the 5 love languages and how can you benefit extremely by knowing them? By the way, this video will be very helpful to regardless if you are single or in a relationship at the moment. Plus, at the end of the video, I will tell you about something that will help you even more at improving your skills with women. So, stay tuned and watch this short video until the end. What are the 5 love languages? The concept of the 5 love languages is based on the book by Gary Chapman. He describes how there are 5 ways to express and experience love between romantic partners. He calls these ways love languages. According to him, everybody has one primary and one secondary love language. But of course, the other 3 are also very important to many people. Why should you know about this in a relationship? If the main love language between the 2 people in a relationship differs, it will often happen that one person does something nice, but the other person doesn't really value it. Plus, they will be less likely to believe that the other person loves them, as both parties show affection to each other with different types of love languages. It's like if your girlfriend tells you "I love you" every day, but she does it in Chinese. And since you don't understand it, you think your girlfriend doesn't love you, because you think she never tells you that she does. Why should I know about this if I'm single? As said at the beginning of this video, this will help improve your skills with women even if you are single at the moment. Plus, it will drastically increase your chances of finding the right partner who is able to make you happy. How do love languages help you with this? When I meet a new woman, I ask her on the very first date what her top 1 or 2 love languages are. If she doesn't know, I help her find out. Why am I doing this? Because firstly, I want to know what makes her happy. And secondly, because I want to know if our love languages match. If they differ too much, mine is physical touch, our relationship with her would be very frustrating and not fulfilling enough for either of us. Which are the 5 love languages? So, let's analyze what those 5 languages even are. Number 1. Words of affirmation. This love language expresses love with kind words, giving compliments, motivating the other person, or frequently telling them how much you love them. Examples: I love how creative you always are. I'm very proud of you. You look stunning in that black dress. I'm sure you are able to do it, so don't give up. Number 2. Acts of service. How much do you help the other person, especially without them asking for you for help? Examples of acts of service are: you wash up the dishes without her asking you. You give her a lift when she's going out with her girlfriends. You make her breakfast. You wash her car. Number 3. Receiving gifts. How happy does it make you when you get a gift? Do you need to fake being happy, or are you sincerely very happy about it? And how often do you give a woman gifts, even without an important event like her birthday? Examples of receiving gifts: you send her flowers to her workplace outside of the holidays. You buy her the watch she dreamed of for years. You buy her her favorite ice cream before she arrives at home. Number 4. Quality time. There is a huge difference between spending time together and spending quality time together. Quality time means mostly that you have the undivided attention of the other person without any distractions. Examples: the TV is turned off while you are talking about something. You don't use your smartphone while talking to her. When you have a phone call with her, you aren't doing other things like cooking or washing the dishes during the conversation. You take your dates seriously. You don't just cancel them without a very good reason. Number 5. Physical touch. The last love language is physical touch. For many people, this is the main love language, as it is for me. Examples: always holding hands while walking down the street, stroking your partner as she's about to fall asleep, hugging the other person often, giving her lots of kisses. As I said at the beginning, if your love languages differ too much, you will not be able to see the proof that your partner indeed loves you, because you show it to each other in a different language. By the way, another reason why you may feel your partner doesn't love you is that you have low self-esteem. I used to have extremely low self-esteem, which made me think that in every one of my relationships, the woman makes up 80% of the relationship, while I am only 10 or 20%. and I am less important because of it. If you are interested in knowing how I drastically increased my self-esteem and how you can do so too, click the subscribe button, as I'm going to make a very useful video about this topic too. Regarding the 5 love languages. Some people are able to find out their own love language just based on this video. If you weren't, don't worry. There are many free online quizzes that can determine exactly that. I will give you a link of one such quiz in the video description, but you can find many others too. So let's summarize the 5 love languages quickly. Number 1, words of affirmation. Number 2, acts of service. Number 3, receiving gifts. Number 4, quality time. Number 5, physical touch. If you found this video interesting, I would be very happy if you would show some love by clicking the like button. I'm Imre, and I wish you an awesome day.